Hello and welcome to Unbox and Discover 2025. Today, we are shaping AI to be true companion, and we call it Samsung Vision AI. AI is more than just numbers. We are focused on what really matters. For example, we included features like click search, viewing experience by offering personalized content recommendations, and instant access to information related to what you are watching. Furthermore, thanks to 7 years of free OS upgrades, Vision AI is future-proof, giving you access to new AI features as soon as we launch them, all while keeping all your private information secure through Knox Security. Our innovation goes beyond AI. It's about inspiration too. You will experience an extraordinary art journey through our expanded Samsung Art TV lineup. And we will continue to supply an endless stream of world-class entertainment and immersive gaming. This is just the beginning of our journey today. The best is yet to come. Thank you.